This is going to be an absolute treat. You see, I have this quartz specimen that I'm hoping is loaded with gold. I found it on the surface at my own mineral lease at Spring Hill in the NT, and it is sun bleached and worn a little. It's a quartz specimen that was found with the Minelab GPX 6000. But let's go meet the star of the show. And here it is. I'll bring it out into the sunlight so you can get a better look at it. Have a look at that. Now, you can't actually see any visible gold on it. Have a look, have a listen to this. This is the Minelab Gold Monster 1000. Great little machine for specimen gold. Now let's try the Quest pinpointer. Wow. This here is a dolly pot, and a dolly pot is a portable crushing tool where you can take your gold bearing rock and by hand you can crush it. The process is known as dollying. In principle, a dolly pot is somewhat like a large mortar and pestle, but it's made of metal and it's specifically intended for crushing hard rocks like our gold quartz specimen today. So dolly pots do come in all shapes and sizes. You do not want to drop that stamper on your foot. You've got to make sure you're wearing the territory safety boots. Oh, it's not gonna, it only just fits. Oops, and we lost a bit. There we go. This is what it looks like so far. Thought I seen a bit of gold then. Oh, we did. Okay. I'm gonna have to pick you up here so you can see what I'm looking at. So I just spotted this little picker kicking around in the classifier there. There's another one. Well, if you look at this quartz here, you wouldn't actually think there would be any gold in there. It looks quite barren of sulfides and other minerals. But so far I've picked out these little beauties. What I might do is, for the interest of your ears and your time, I might just cut to the pan in right now. Starting to see some yellow shiny stuff there. Look at that. Wow. All right, I'm hoping you can see this. I might even bring you a little bit closer. So that is the result. All right, so what I'm going to do is leave it out to dry, and we'll cut to me weighing it up. All right, so I've just wound down the brightness on the phone, but there it is. I'm going to leave it out to dry. There's not much sun today, so hopefully it doesn't take too long, and then we'll go over and weigh it up on the scales. What's your estimation? How much gold do you think is there? I'm thinking there's got to be at least 4 grams there, maybe? Okay, it's been some 4 hours later. I had to wait for the gold to dry out. Let me show you the gold there. If I can get it to focus up here. All from that one rock. Let's go ahead and turn on our scales. Okay, time for the weigh-in. .91 grams. Happy days. Please do consider subscribing because it does help the channel grow. Please do consider liking, and until next time, we'll catch you in the next video.